70mi Pro is an excellent dash with a very good image quality for its price. It has a major design flaw with the GPS module, at least in my case did. After only 2 weeks of use, yes, you heard right, 2 weeks of use, my GPS module stopped working. Like any normal person, I started looking for known issues, and after a few minutes I already made the update from firmware 1.0.7NA, which has known issues with the GPS module, to 1.0.9A, and still my GPS didn't work. So my instincts start kicking into action and I start physically inspecting the dashcam. After a few minutes I found this. While this can happen to an old dashcam from staying in the sun all day long, in my case it didn't have to exist. I repeat, my camera was brand new, only 2 weeks of use. And because of that broken gripping clamp, the whole base GPS module was bending enough that at least the first 2 pins didn't make proper contact. So I pick up a quick fix tool, super glue, fix my issues. My GPS module worked perfectly for the last week. As you can see, after the fix, the GPS module was detected by the camera. Quick tip for you, the speed and the GPS coordinates are not embedded in the raw footage. They appear on the clip only if you view it through the 70mi app. If you own this dashcam or are interested in buying it, because let's face it, it has excellent specs for its price range, now you know one of the problems that could happen to the GPS module. By the way, links are in the description. Hope you find this useful and stay safe.